Hey everyone, welcome back to Rizytutorials. And since this is the first video of 2022, a very happy new year to all of you guys. Now in today's video I'm going to share with you this winter glowy makeup look. Now it's very fresh, it's very glowing, it's very winter appropriate, and since in winters my skin does get a bit dry and flaky, I'm also be showing you my current skincare routine. Now why I wanted to include the skincare routine in this video is because sometimes skincare products do tend to mess up your foundation and your concealer and your further makeup application. So I did not wanted you guys to feel the same problem. So I'm including a skincare routine, and then we will also indulge into the makeup routine as well after our skincare is done. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm using the Plum Aloe Vera toner. Now this is an amazing toner. It makes my skin feeling fresh and also helps to get the next products absorbed into the skin. Next, I'm using the Innisfree green tea seed serum. Now since I have acne spots, green tea is really good in clarifying the skin overall, and I have almost finished this serum. It is so good. Next up, I'm using the Sadhev aloe vera gel. Now this will also provide extra step of hydration in my skin, and as you can see I have almost finished this one as well. It gives a very light coverage in terms of moisturization, but it's a good one. Next, I'm using an under eye cream. This is the Reequil Under Eye Cream, and I'm taking it on my ring finger and patting it across all my under eye. The next step is, of course, moisturization, and I will be using the Plum e-luminesce hydration cream. Now this is for extremely dry skin people like me, so if you're a oily person, I would request you to use the Plum green tea gel, night gel. And last step for skincare, I will be using a facial oil. This one is my favorite holy grail, Royalty Essentials 24K Gold Oil, which I'm pressing onto in my skin. Now I will wait for some time after applying the facial oil for it to sink into my skin, till the time I will be doing my brows. And you have seen me do this a couple of times. First I take a spoolie and brush my hair upwards and then fill in the brows. Next up, I'm curling my lashes with using a curling uh, iron, I guess it's called. Next up, I'm putting some mascara. This is my favorite mascara. Now it's almost over. I'm planning to do an Instagram video hack for your dried up mascara, so that is why I'm saving this one for that video. For primer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pore Minimizer Primer, I believe this is called, and it instantly makes my pore less visible and less affluent on my cheeks, and I love this primer. I'm using a concealer which is exactly the same shade as my skin tone for my under eyes, just to color correct. And you can also use an orange corrector for this step, but I see that if I use a medium color corrector closer to my skin tone, then it works even better than orange corrector, because I do not like the look and color of an orange corrector underneath my foundation. Now for foundation, I'm using the Faces Canada Serum Foundation. The only con for this foundation is that it is not very long lasting, and I see that it loses its coverage after 1 or 2 hours, which I find very annoying. Since I still want that youthful glow on the cheeks, I am using the Forest Essentials Gulabi Nikhar cheek tint, and this is a beautiful shade. Again, it has the same problem. It minimizes its pigmentation. It loses its pigmentation after some time, so that is why I'm applying it underneath my powder blush. I'm using a foundation brush to blend it into my skin, and as you can see, it gives a very youthful, very nice pink glow. Now I'm using my concealer stick. This is the Maybelline Age Refined Concealer, and it has been my favorite for almost 2 years. And the shade is closest to my skin tone. This one is Honey, I believe. I will link it down in the description box below and you can check it out. I really do not need the contour as such, but I just wanted to add some, warmth into my skin. Although it is winter, still I like, a bronzy glow on my skin. So I'm using this foundation stick, which is in the shade cinnamon, to, contour my stick. And as you can see, I have also applied it above my crease. It gives a natural lift to the eye makeup. You'll see once I blend it out. This is an amazing facelift hack that I have recently found out through TikTok and through Reels. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, now would be a good time to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon so that you are updated with all my latest uploads. And as you can see here, once I blend out the contour, it kind of, lifts my entire eyelids. And now I'm putting some concealer to bring back the color onto my eyelids. And this is me putting some loose powder just underneath the eye makeup that we did. Sorry, eye concealer that we did just to set it up. I'm also putting some on my eyelids just to set the concealer that we just put there. Now I'm applying another coat of mascara. Now, as I said, this mascara is completely dried up, but as I'm going to shoot a Instagram hack, to bring it back to life, I'm saving it. So just bear with me and also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is handle is written on the screen right now. Next up, I'm going to be taking the My Glam face palette and bring back that flush of color onto my cheeks by adding the blush. Now, I also want my blush to, color coordinate with my outfit. So I'm adding a bit of orange onto the periphery of my face. Now I'm taking some warm brown eyeshadow shade and putting on the places where we just contoured our eyelids. Now this will again give that facelift, and I'm just blending it out with a clean brush. Now I'm adding some NYX brow mascara onto my eyebrows because they are looking a little bit boxy and I don't like the look because I am going for a very fresh and winter glowing look. So I'm just putting some mascara on top and this instantly lifts my brows, as you can see over here, and makes them natural looking. I'm adding the same brown, warm brown eyeshadow onto my lower lid as well and dragging it outwards a little bit and onto my, eyelids as well, just near the lash line as well, to give it, look of an eyeliner, natural kind of a brown eyeliner. I'm taking a detailed eyeshadow brush and extending that wing using the same brown eyeshadow that we used to create, the eyeliner, and just dragging it across to create a very fine wing. Just to set that cream bronzer that we placed before, I'm also using a powder bronzer on top of it. Now this one is my favorite glowy bronzer. This one is Makeup Revolution Take a Vacation bronzer, and it's such a amazing glowy bronzer. I just love the look it gives me. Now my base makeup is almost done and only time for my lip makeup. Now I'm using the Colourpop BFF2 pencil. This is a warm nude shade and looks really amazing on medium skin tones. I'm just putting it all over my lips. The lipstick is from Makeup Revolution Pro range. Again, this is from their range Neutral Satin Matte, and this one is in the shade Roomba, which is a very brown caramelly nude shade. And I have also added this one in my Instagram nude lipstick video as well, so do not forget to check those out. I'm using the same My Glam Chisel It palette to highlight my face and put some highlight on the inner corner of my eyes to give that sparkly look. I'm fixing some setting spray on my beauty blender and putting it across my face to just merge everything out. And this is the final look. It's very glowy, it's very fresh, very natural looking. It doesn't seem top of the world, it doesn't seem very glammy. It just seems very natural and put together. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to subscribe on my channel and watch me on Instagram as well. And please do not forget to like this video, it will help me a lot. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.